Okay, I'm back. So I couldn't find a time to finish the third part yesterday, so I just waited for another day. And today I'm gonna continue my projects here, and I'm trying to finish the part 3, at least. Let's see. The third part is another wall here, and we feature Joey here. Nice. As usual, let me just open the bag first. Oops. That's crazy. I didn't miss anything, right? Okay. Well, let me see. There's some tiny parts here. We have Joey's hat. And we have Joey's buddy. Wow. There's like a tiny little wrinkle on Joey's face, which is pretty cool. Okay. Adam body. And here is the leg. And Joey should have okay, I think I'm wrong. Joey have a bag. Where's the bag? Where's the bag? Oh, it's here. Oh, there are the parts. Ooh, they're so tiny. Gosh. This is gonna be a mess. So many pieces. Okay. Okay, here. This is Joey's bag. How to? Wait, I don't. Oh, you need to raise Joey's hand first. Then you can do things like this, and ta-da! We have a tiny Joey with his bag. I don't recall Joey ever have a bag. Oh, that one. The one that he used when he went to the audition. That one Rachel gave him. Yeah, that was a good one. Okay, on the other hand of Joey, he has a pizza. Cool. Okay, so now we have a little tiny Joey here. How cute is he? Okay, standing there handsome. Now I can continue with my main project, and let's move on to the page 71. the third part here. Trash can. So as you can see, we have another wall here. Actually, we have a door which can actually opens. Which can actually open. Yeah, that's cool. And we have a tiny window here. Through the window, you can see the flowers inside, and there is Joy's poster for the Ichiban men lips balm, and inside we see the flowers, the light, and there's actually a poster for Phoebe Buffet. It's like live tonight Phoebe Buffet, and there's a cat there. I guess that means a smelly cat. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I guess that's it. This is the third part of the Friends Lego set, and it's pretty late now. I guess I will stop here today, and I will continue with the part 4 tomorrow or sometime else. Okay, little Joy, you join Rachel and Gunther take a rest, and I will leave this here.